Everyone, welcome back with another video. How are you? Hope you all are fine. So now in this video I will share with you a new meme project. From this project you can get a big profit. So without wasting our time, we can start the video. If you are new on my channel, so first of all subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos and notification. So friend, we can start the video. First of all, I will tell you the link of this project, and the detail about this project was available in the description of the video. Simply you can go and then join this project. It's a very unique meme project and give you a big profit. Dailymotion is the name of this project. You can simply buy it from airdrop, or another method I will already tell you in this video how you can purchase and be a profitable. So don't waste your time and be the member of this project and get big profit. So first of all, you can see the detail about this project. Pre-sale was live, so must participate in it. You can see the Dailymotion pre-sale now and fetch incredible rewards, and each step. Don't miss your opportunity to the part of living community focused cryptocurrency inspired by the delightful Dailymotion breed. So simply I can scroll down, you can see the detail which exchange was working from this meme project. As you can see on screen, BSC Scan, CoinSnapper and many more exchange were working with this project, and these meme project gives a very big profit. So it's a very good opportunity for you. If you have any question, so simply click on go to FAQ. You can read every question. I will tell you how you can get questions answers, and simply you can see the overview of this project was available. Dailymotion token is a unique community centered cryptocurrency designed to bring the fun and energy of derivation of blockchain world. So the friend, it's a meme project and depend upon a pet, and so it's give you a big profit. As you know, previous Dogecoin and many more these projects give a very big profit. So meme projects already give a profit, so must participate, invest your money now and get a big profit. Now I will tell you many more detail about this project, and you can see the about section of this project. You can see the detail how it's work and the basis of this project. It's a meme funny token and give you a big profit. You can see the detail, must read for getting information. As you can see, the name of this project was Dailymotion, symbol is DM. Total supply was 101 billion, and taxes was also showing on screen. Buying tax was 4% and selling tax was 7%. Contract address was also available. You can simply copy and purchase this project, but pre-sale was live. Must participate and buy from pre-sale to get a big profit in future. So you can see tokenomics team was also available. Marketing director, founder, CEO and team members are also available on screen. You can see the detail and must read the about section of this project to get know how project works. Now I will tell you how you can buy. Simply click on how to buy. The option was available how to buy Dailymotion token. Video was also available. Must join and must subscribe the channel of Dailymotion. So we can see the detail of buying token. Simply connect your wallet with MetaMask or a Trust wallet. You have funds in your wallet like USDT or Ethereum, then you can easily import into DM tokens, and simply you can purchase DM tokens in your wallet, and it's give you a very big profit. So it's a very simple and easy process. I will tell you how you can buy in this video. So in the last I will tell you how you can connect your wallet and participate in pre-sale. So simply we can scroll down here. You can see a buy Dailymotion option was available. Simply click on it. You can see the pre-sale detail of this project. I will tell you how you can participate in it and be the member of this pre-sale. You can see you can earn 1 Ethereum and be the member of this party event. You can see get at least $200 worth of airdrop per person, maximum $20,000 you can win. Simply you can join airdrop you can go to the Twitter account of this project and then follow them and retweet the tweet, and simply send a message on the post. Simply you can get airdrop. And the next method was go to Telegram community of this project and simply join the community, send message and participate in the airdrop. So it's a very good thing for you and be a profitable. Now I will tell you how you can participate in pre-sale. The pre-sale event was live. As you can see, I will tell you how you can connect your wallet. Simply click on a connect option. I have a MetaMask account. Simply I connect my wallet from this this website. So first of all, I can unlock my MetaMask account. Then I will show you how you can connect your account from MetaMask and be the member of this project. So simply you can see my account was successfully connected and the pre-sale was live. Select the currency you have in your wallets, then enter the amount and how much you want to purchase DMA token. So simply you can buy from this pre-sale. 28 days was remaining. Must participate in it and be the member of this project. 10% for all holders of each milestone achieved. You can see the days was also available. It will be increasing day by day, so you can get a big profit. Pre-sale marketing price was available. Then next, how it's grow, you can see, and total referral proceed was available. So you can also generate your referral link. Click on a generate referral link, copy it and make more friends to get a referral reward. It's a very good opportunity for you. You can get 17% from your referral and 20% bonus token reward on purchase with the referral link. So it's a very good opportunity for you. Contract token address was available. Simply copy it and you can see exchanges status was also available. You can see the detail and many more things as you can see. So hopefully you will know how you can participate in pre-sale and be the member of this project and get a big profit. So must join the pre-sale and it's a good opportunity, and also join the Telegram and Twitter account of this group. I will share with you the Twitter account. You can see, simply follow for latest updates and news, and must join in airdrop. You can see the detail was available. First follow, then retweet and like the post, drop Ethereum address and you will be participated in this event airdrop. So it's a very good opportunity for you. Must participate in it and be a profitable and earn free Delimation coins. So simply follow it and also join the Telegram community of this project. You can see member was available. Must join and also join the airdrop of Telegram. So it's a very good opportunities for you to get profitable. Must participate in it. Now I will tell you the roadmap of this project. It helps to know about how my thing was developed in this project and how my thing you can see in future. As you can see, phases was available. Phase 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 phases was available. First of all, they can launch token, then the participate ecosystem and marketing, and each and every step was available, and it helps to know about how projects work and how much thing you can see in future. So must read for getting more information. Also I will share with you the FAQ option. You can see if you have any question, so click on it, you will get your answers, and hopefully you will know each and everything about the project, how it's work and how you can get profitable. Must participate in airdrops, pre-sale, and be profitable. So hopefully you will like this video. If you like this video, so subscribe my channel, press bell icon for latest videos. Hope we will be meeting next video.